Even when you feel low, you
Hello
can
guys,
still
good morning.
go.
Welcome to my
Even when you
vlog.
feel
Today's
slow,
topic
you can
naman
still
ay
go.
how
Even when there's no hope, you can
DIY.
still
So
go. I
episode
never
ng
answer to no, man, I still go.
fixing ng
Go,
virus.
go,
Malimit
go,
pagka
go,
sira yung
go,
virus.
go,
Magiging
go,
yan.
go, go,
Dito sira.
go,
Yan sa complaint niya. So,
go. Hustle
tapos
hard, hustle every
hindi
single
na
day.
ginagamit.
I'll be
So,
making
para
moves till I'm
may
buried
magamit
in
pa
my
tayo
grave. To the system,
na
I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit
pangwaling sa
my
deck.
way,
Eh,
the
i-repair
highway.
natin.
And in the driveway,
Yun natin
there's a
paano to
nice
i-repair. Okay
range.
guys?
Cruise the grind through the
So
climb,
maraming salamat sa mga
and
viewers
everything
natin.
a bitch, nah,
At
I
don't
don't
forget, subscribe,
complain.
like,
Just gotta
comment.
flip the switch
Okay?
and you can
See
go
you
and
around.
obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Ayan guys, ayan na guys. Oh. Tapos na guys. Ayan. Tatlo. May rugby, may pin dito na shoutout kay Master Jong. Yung pin dito sa loob na nilagay ko para hindi matanggal. So okay na yung kabila. Ang purpose ito guys, sa may mga butas na fire hose, doon mo i-move para matanggal yung butas. Yan siya. Pero sa standard talaga wala talang dapat ganito. Sa pang-washing lang to guys. Diba Master Jong?
Ito.
Okay. Diba? Ayan, tignan mo. Ang iba yan, sira na o
Yan,
putol.
Meron, hindi naman.
Kabilang side naman guys. So shoutout sa magina ko, shoutout kay Master Jan Procopio, kay Master Keaton, at sa lahat ng mga subscriber dyan. Maraming salamat. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. At sa malapit kong partner, Master Joe. Ayos talaga. Okay, gano'n naman tayo. Si Master Joe na yung titira.